Yo, what's up guys, it's December 26, 2025. Today's Friday, last day of the week. I know I said I wasn't going to take no more trades until 2026, but I ended up taking a trade today, so let's get over it. Okay, first of all, I want you guys to know that this is Project X Alpha Tix, so I don't know if you guys know, but just look at this. If you look at this, the official data of CMI, so as you can see we are already trading above these highs, as you guys can see here we are trading below those, so I'm not considering nothing of here to take a trade today, as it's discorrelated, so I'm just focusing on this intraday price action. So okay, if you guys can see here, we are trending to the upside, so we are respecting these bullish fair value gaps as new week opening gaps, so we are respecting this shit in here. So now we are trading inside this 4 hour in here, so if we are bullish I want these 4 hours to hold price to the upside. So this is a swing low inside this 4 hours, so if we are super bullish, I'm not expecting this to get taken and give an intermediate rebalance within this price range in here, something like a restrip of this low in here inside this for 1 hour, in here, so that's an intermediate rebalance. So if you guys can see here, I was not expecting that deep of a retrace, but that's what ended up happening. So if you look in here, market opening here, we ended up taking that low inside this 1 hour fair value gap, so that's the first setup that presents today is this 1 minute inverse in here, but as you guys can see we ended up closing above this high, so there's nothing to take in here. The risk reward is negative, so I didn't push the button. So okay, as you can see, now we took this buy side in here. So if we are going to be bullish for the rest of the day, which is something I was really expecting, we are going to ignore this buy side and continue higher. But as you guys can see here, we ended up struggling to get past through this buy side, so we ended up flipping again the narrative to the downside. So as you guys can see, now we have this formation of a sell model in here. We are rejecting from buy side. We have this SMT in the table. As you guys can see, the S&P 500 failed to take that buy side, so now we can probably take in shorts towards this 4 hour low in here inside this 4 hour fair value gap. So having that in mind, I was looking to a retrace inside this 5 minute fair value gap in here as a retrace to then short towards this low in here. But as you can see here, we ended up making this 10 a.m. open, no high low close, so we made that open low high close. So I was expecting that, so there's no problem. We ended up engineering more liquidity here. We ended up leaving this for 5 minutes fair value up open, and now we deliver it at the way down to our key levels. This is my key level for today, especially because it's a 50-minute unmitigated fair value up inside this discount of the higher time frame range. So I can see here we are in discount. We swap this for our lows inside a big 4 hour fair value up. Now we make a wick inside this 15-minute unmitigated. So if we are going to be bullish, I want to see this be the low of the move. So yeah, so we ended up reaching this low here, or sweeping this low. As you guys can see, we ended up failing to reach in this 15 minutes, so we ended up making this move to engineer more liquidity to the upside. So now we have all these highs in here to target. We ended up reaching that 15 minutes. We got this clear V-shaped recovery, embracing this 1 minute in here, stops below this candle, because if we are going to last more than 1 minute in the trade, we're probably going to open this 1 minute here. So I'm not expecting this shit to flip again, so I'm protected from this 1 minute. So I'm targeting at this lower resistance liquidity when we are engineering here, something like here, something like that, and runner towards this buy side in here, because the entire narrative is bullish, and this is, if we are going to be bullish, I'm supposing for this move to be a intermediate higher time from retrace to then continue, no matter that we ended up making this SMT, because this SMT has already ended his function. So I'm expecting this to be a normal buy side level. So I ended up entering here, we were canceling here, we ended up getting a follow through in here, then we made this 1 minute fair value up in here, we wick inside and we close above, so we now made this order block in here. So I trailed my stop below this low, as we are in a buy model, we shouldn't be sweeping protected lows in here, which is a low inside this fair value up with this 5 minute above. So I'm expecting we are going to reach this 5 minutes before we break below that low. So I got, as you guys can see, we ended up getting stop rated. I mean, I got stop in profit, but we got stopped out in here below that low, and then we ended up keep shopping to that side, and then we usually make this move back. I mean, it's no the best day to be trading, so it is what it is, but at least I got stopped out in profit, so I made money today. So this is today's trade recap. See you guys probably in 2026, and this time for real. I don't think I'm going to trade next week, as it's going to be 29, 30, 31. Yeah, I'm probably going to see you guys next year. So peace out.